Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we picked up one of these hyper cluster starter packs for the new Yoyo. This one's called Bandai, Bandai. I hope I said that right. We'll open this and show you how to use it. Alright, let's open this little guy up, see how he does here. See if we can get him out of this package. Yeah, looks like he might have been opened before and resealed here. There we go. There's all of his parts. We can get him out of there. Alright, parts. There's your skins. There's your first one. This one says Hyper Cluster. See there? This one is, looks like a face. Look at that. See? They got it taped down good, I'll say that. Woo. There's your inside parts. Got a string and a spacer. What you want to do is, see that little shaft right there? Put your spacer on right there. Screw the other side down on it right there until it stops. Get it on there good, okay? Alright, I think that's down in there. Now take your skin, slip it right in there like that. You'll hear it twist. Hear it click. Take the other side, do the same thing. Well, okay. Well, it clicks down on there just like that, okay? Now you're ready to go. You can press this, you want to take it off. Press this and it'll twist. Press this, it'll twist. Like that, comes off. There's your string. Let's see if we can open this string here. Maybe not. Alright, we got the plastic off the string now. What we're going to do is put this little guy back together here. Okay. That one's on. Okay. That one's on. All right, now we got our yo-yo ready to go. So what we're going to do is take string here. I have to open it up down here at the end so we can slip it on. All right, we got it open here. It's going to be a new string, so it's going to take a little while to get this thing where we can actually control it. So now we got the string on there. Make us a little loop here. It's got a loop, but we want to slip it through there so we can put it on our finger like so. Clamp it down. We're going to get down and over here in a minute and show you how to use it, okay? Now, just in case you don't know how to put it together, here's your instructions. Okay. Shows you how to put it together. Even shows you how to use it on the back. Pretty handy little thing, all right? All right, we're over here now. We're going to do a little yo-yoing with it. This is kind of a short string. I prefer a little longer string, but so you have to get that string where it's working good, where it comes up real good. See if I can do any tricks here with it. Rock the cradle, how about that, huh? Walk the dog. I like the longer string on mine though. Okay, we showed you how to play with it a little bit. There are different skins available. You can check out the internet, eBay, things like that. They'll have different skins. When you're ready to change a skin, see that little blue button? Push that blue button and it releases it. Put it back on, twist it, hit click, now you're on. Ready to go. Actually, I prefer a little longer string than this one. You can get yo-yo strings just about anywhere, so. But look at the face on that guy. Pretty wild looking little face, isn't it? All right. Well, there it is. Hypercluster starter pack. It says speed is, velocity is 3 green, stamina is 2 green, loop is 2 greens, weight is 3 greens, control is 4 greens. So this must be one of your easier ones to use here. It says hypercluster on the other side of the skin there. Okay. All right, so there you go. Go check them out. Hypercluster. Look at that. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time. There is a link to the first hypercluster we opened in the description below. Go check it out.